Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah.
Boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know, bless. Hoping I have a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one bag of one and I gotta continue getting these daily updates on the people on the sea and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with Burna Boy, because word on the street is that he is begging Jada Kingdom back, her GPP, after inviting another girl to celebrate his birthday in his home country of Jamaica. Yes, you know, Burna Boy have 2 houses. Well, 1 house in Jamaica and several around the world. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, he made a video and the people that is talking about it. So let's take a look.
That is it.
I say my people, all me know is them never confirmed that them there. But this is confirmation that they was intimate. You see me, I say, because no man now confirms a girl GPP good without sampling the goods. You see me, I say, one thing for sure, we know Jada Kingdom now charge 35,000 no more, you know. You see me, I say, the price done gone up triple-fold, you know what I mean? But put in the comment section what do you think about that. Do you think there's a remix for it in? But yeah, enough about that. Let's proceed to the next, because boy, the people that must say Spice sell our soul and is working for the devil now after telling major lies previously to promoting this rose business for, you know, self, gratification and all of these stuff. And, you know, she has always been promoting these things, and I don't think it was a problem up until the other day when she said she don't do those things no more because, you know, it's like, you know, making love with, you know, demons. You feel what I mean? So people, as you can see in our comment section, saying, you know, use a liar, stop use God for, you know, your lies and all of these stuff. I'm just paraphrasing and I can't look on it on itself, you know, but they're extremely hurt that, you know, she won't do these things for herself, but willing to sell people's souls. I don't know, put in the comment section what do you think about that, because honestly, this is no big deal, you know, because Spice and them is done performing for that community where the Bible says it's not right. You see me? I don't co-sign that, so, you know what I mean? Y'all can't pick and choose when I want to be, but then again, that is a different story. But one way or another, she's gonna get her money. You know, Spice Clap was featured on a Netflix new series named Survival of the Tickets. You see me? And that's just definitely a good look. I don't know the streaming numbers on these shows, but if it gone in the millions, you know, it's a million times. People are here clap, and you know, some royalties are sent for your way. You see me? Put in the comment section where have Spice's songs been sampled in not music videos, like TV shows, movies, video games, etc. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, it's like when I never did listen to me when I tell them say a big war going in the dance between Sharon and Romeich them. You see me? I say, and now DJ Maka said the reason why the drifting is so controversial is because everybody wants a piece of it. Now, I'm just paraphrasing, because, you know, he did an interview with Delia saying that Romeich, they want him sign off on some things with flow and all of these things. You see me? I said, but him never do that because him not know what I go on for not to go on. I'm just paraphrasing on some things that I seen out there, but that just goes at what I've been trying to say about the ownership, because, you know, Sharon are there with the publishing and Teejay's aspect, and, you know, people that is how should I say, invested in the song, getting it played on the airwaves, etc., gonna want a little cut. So that I go on, you see me, I say, but Teejay did a post and delete saying a lot in there Jamaica, and at that F up the country. And I think he deleted it because people was like, you're wrong, brother, because that's everywhere. You feel what I mean? And you really know what's smashing up Jamaica. You see me? Well, Jamaica's not mashed up only for one set of people. things and things. But that's another discussion, you see me I say. But I think he is trying to be slick with the subliminal this is, and he made this post following this delete of this one. He posted up, him bestie, Tian, you see me, the one and only that, keep it real from 2013. So I'm guessing that must be his baby mother or whatnot, you feel I mean? But like I said, I think he posted this up to throw people off of, saying that there's no loyalty in Jamaica with Romeich, them, and DJ Mac. People putting in the comment section, what do you think about that? You see me, I haven't checked the credits on the song to see who gets what shit from whatnot. But you know how to go in the music business, you know what I mean? And I have to make sure I get everything in a fine paper. You see me I say, and start bun split and just say, yeah man, everything good and all of them things there. You see me I say, because it boom, you see what I rise now, you know what I mean? But anyway, I'm not linger up on that. Let's proceed to the next. Now, I want to big up DJ Tall Up 876 because out of many Jamaicans, he is one of the few that was saying, to help our brothers and sisters from Haiti who landed in the island of Jamaica the other day. While the vast majority of African slave descendants in Jamaica were saying, send them back. And I'm like, look upon them people, yeah. These are the same set of people when them go through borders and all of these stuff, them get sent back. You see me I say, look how much black Jamaicans are trying to go to CARICOM Islands and they're getting rejected. You know what I mean? And this was the time for only for sure black people can unite. But no, or now follow the white man teachings and thinking that they're voodoo. Let me tell you something before we hear from the brother, yeah. The only difference between the blacks in Haiti and the blacks in Jamaica. The blacks in Haiti, the master, them never capture them spirit. In Jamaica, your spirit's been getting captured. That's why I'm praising somebody with blue eyes. But let's take a listen to what he's saying and then we proceed.
In a real life, you see the people them where I talk about say, yo, the Haitian them must go home. The Jamaican them, you know some pussy. You know should no ban, you know should no bomb buckler exist. Cause you know are the main perpetrator me see. I talk about say, yo, black people can't unite and black people not unite. Then now the perfect opportunity this to unite with no black brother and sister. You know some pussy wall. You know talk about go home. You know have nothing over the bomb buckler Haitian them neither more than bad mind. A bad mind alone you know have more than the people in from 80. Because you know always talk about them work too much obia. Brethren, me not think nobody else in the Caribbean work more obia upon each other than Jamaicans. And when you know work obia, and if you get rich more time, if you hold down one brethren who no see a strive, or one sister, go suck no mother and allow the blood clot Haitian people them. Because you don't have nothing over them. If we are Jamaicans bad mind to blood clot, me not think 37 of them could have hold upon the boat them. Because guess what? One of them or a couple of them would have get bad mind and should have some. So when time the boat reach, I probably have 6 left. Move on a pussy and allow the people them. The Prime Minister of Jamaica can more than help them. You understand? The COVID money with them thief up. Help the blood clot people them. Then can go in them pocket. Saying help the blood clot people them while you no can. Because you no need to know this. 80 nah go blood clot suffer forever, because we all know who make Haitians a suffer. And a France. And them pussy hole colonizer there I go fall one day. And 80 I go rise again. So uno pussy hole where you talk about say, send them back home. Fuck. If one day the table turn and the shoes go up on the other foot and uno have to run away from Jamaica and end up a blood clot 80. Uno have some blood clot germs. But the people them for go back. Load the people them. I bet if find some pussy well European or Chinese man end up on the shores like that. You know that run to food go give them and clothes and everything. No for you have whole heap of clothes and shoes on now wear. Donate it to them. You understand? Go find a way to donate it. Don't disrespect the people them. See what we talk about the little fuckery beef for there. That no make no sense. The idiot them where did participate in that live a blood clot overseas and alright. And none of them people where you see are suffer right now. So if you no can help the people them, help them and don't blood clot talk about go back home because you never know what can happen in the future. Blood clot stay there. Big up all like Bumbuckler Haitian them. See, because I go around them and none of them never bad mind me a blood clot or envy me for nothing. So big up on yourself and me a deal with woman from Haiti. And them nice and blood clot clean same way. So Lord.
You see me, I say, I need to start doing the history because I think the reason why the Haitians don't like Jamaicans no more because, no, brainwashed by the master. Because remember, say, it was a slave from Jamaica who got Haiti and, wild up them spirit on a call it Obi or whatever. And that made them rebel against the French colonists. And that made them want to go to America to free the slaves them over there. That's why you got remnants of Creole and all those things in Louisiana. You know what I mean? The colonists from Britain didn't want what happened to, the French that happened to them in the island. So them giving them the freedom, even though they're not free. That's another topic. But we'll have to discuss that later because Swear said the colonists overseer was there yesterday as the Governor General. But don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.